Hi guys, it's Meeks here again. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi. I hope you're having a fantastic day, whatever it is that you may be doing. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing another fantastic beauty box from Look Fantastic. It is their birthday. Look Fantastic have turned 6, and so they have sent me this beautifully themed special edition birthday box, and I cannot wait to delve in and show you guys what goodies they have in store for us this month. Look Fantastic, they have also now opened pre-orders for their advent calendar. Their famous advent calendar, it sells out without a doubt every year, and I know that there will be some amazing products in there. If you are a non-subscriber to their beauty box, the advent calendar will cost £85, but if you are a beauty box subscriber, you can get that box for £70. And even better news is that if you want that £15 off and you are not already subscribed to their beauty boxes, all you need to do is just go onto the website and add the beauty box subscription into your basket along with your calendar, and then just type in the code ADVENTNEWSUBS, and then you will automatically receive your £15 discount. It's really worth it. I cannot wait to get mine. I know they are famous. I know that there's going to be some lush products in there, so definitely check those out, guys. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. Okay, without further ado, let us get back and delve into our gorgeous beauty box. If anyone is new to Look Fantastic, I'm just going to give you a little background information about the company and their beauty boxes. Look Fantastic, they are a huge online beauty store, and they send out monthly subscription beauty boxes. You pay a small fee every month and you receive a gorgeous box full of mystery themed goodies. It's literally amazing. I love their boxes. The boxes are £15 on a rolling subscription, but they do offer 3, 6 or 12 month subscription plans, and the longer you are subscribed, the cheaper the boxes are. So if you are going to be doing this every month, I think it's definitely worth to take up a subscription plan and save yourself that little bit more. I also do have a 10% discount code for new subscribers that want to take out a subscription plan. So I will pop that not only in the description box, but you'll see that along the screen, my discount code for your 10% off your first box. So that's absolutely fantastic. Even more money saved. The value of the box is always worth at least £50, so it's great value for money. It's phenomenal. The products are so nice. And today's box is actually worth over £77. So for their birthday, they've actually spoilt us rotten. This month there is only one box. I know for the past few months there have been 2 boxes sent out, but this month everybody just gets the same box with just 2 variations that I will go through and discuss what the possible products are that you may receive. Okay, but getting into this month's box, let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, so the first thing you will see is your pamphlet. This gives you all the information about the products in your box, how to use the products, the benefits of the products. And it's not just that, there are interviews in here, beauty tips. It really is a handful guide, and I definitely enjoy reading them every month. And not only that, but at the back there's always a sneak peek of what's to come in next month's box. So for October we will be getting a By Terry lip balm. It says this travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. So that's amazing. I've heard a lot about the By Terry brand. You know, like places like airports, when you go for the duty free, it's always on the forefront, always clearly advertised, always recommended. So I know this is a premium brand. Really looking forward to that next month. But let's get on and see what products Look Fantastic have sent us in their birthday box for this month. And the first product that I'm happy to pull out of my box is the Illamasqua Mini Highlighter. It's worth £10. This does come as a variation, so if you do not receive the powder highlighter, you will receive the balm. And I've heard that the balms are absolutely amazing as well. It's a champagne sort of colour. It says get an enviable glow with these gorgeous highlighters, both with a shimmering champagne hue to complement your complexion. It's perfect for illuminating the high points of your face, your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. I love champagne highlighters. I'm actually wearing a champagne highlighter now. So yes, let's give this a swatch and see what it looks like on the skin. Ooh. Ooh, this is really nice. Really, really beautiful. It is quite subtle and it's really soft. It's a beautiful texture. Sits into the skin quite nicely. So I'm really happy with that. As I said, champagne highlighters, I find they are amazing on my skin tone. So I'm really excited to add this to my collection. The next product in my box is the product from our sneak peek from last month. It is the famous Elemis Pro Collagen Cream. Oh my goodness, this cream, what can I say? It is absolutely outstanding. Look fantastic. They have given us 15 ml, which is a really decent size, as a little bit really goes a long way with this cream. And it's worth £30. And the booklet says this Elemis anti-aging cream uses the maximum concentrate of Pedina pavonica, which is a powerful marine extract, to completely transform your skin. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. I am a big fan of Elemis. My mother is a big fan of Elemis. My grandmother is a big fan of Elemis. I have been using this product since I was in my late teens. I'm 29 now. So it's been a long time. It is a staple product for me. I do have this in my main collection. I use this regularly. So I'm really, really pleased to have this in this box. It saves me £30 and it really is a phenomenal cream. So I'm really pleased that Look Fantastic have popped this in there. Well done to them for that. This is a premium product and I'm so happy it's in there. The next beauty item is the Diego Dalla Palma Mini Lip Pencil. This is shade Antique Pink and it's worth £9.32. And the booklet says this Diego Dalla Palma lip pencil has a precise tip to really define the lips and a strong colour payoff. When blended all over the lips, the matte finish will last for hours. I'm liking the colour from what I see, but let us take a swatch and see. That's quite nice. It's really similar to the top I'm wearing now. So yes, it's quite a natural product. It's a really nice consistency. Even I'm smudging it, it doesn't smudge, you see. So I can tell that this would be a really good product to just, you don't even need to use this with gloss. You can just, as it says in the booklet, apply it all over the lip and it will just look like a matte lip gloss. It's really, really nice. I've never actually heard of this brand, but from what I can tell from the product so far, I'm really, really impressed. I do like a lot of pinky colours on my lips. So this is definitely a Meeks shade. We'll definitely be giving this a try. And yes, that's just a really natural, everyday shade that I'm happy to add to my collection. The next product in my box is the Esper Pink Hair and Scalp Mud, and it is worth £5.10. This is the second variation in this box, so if you don't receive the Hair and Scalp Mud, you will receive the Esper Micellar Cleanser. Okay, so the leaflet says, these Esper products are sure to help you feel revived and refreshed. The Pink Hair and Scalp Mud is a rich treatment that works to deeply condition to leave you with silky, soft locks. So, that sounds good. I know I love a hair mask, especially as we are now transitioning into the colder part of the year, the colder months. Your hair is prone to get brittle, it's prone to get dry, so the extra protection is definitely needed. I treat my hair, I want to say that I'm amazing, I do it once a month, but sometimes I slip, so I try to do it at least once every 6 weeks just to keep my hair in tip-top condition. And my hairdressers do recommend mud mask for the deepish nourishment. So really excited to get this on, do my hair treatment at home and have this glowing, shiny, soft hair. And Esper is an amazing brand too, so I know that this will definitely be beneficial to me. And then also in our box, we have a Lexi 209 large shader brush, and it's worth £15. Ooh, I've heard about Luxie brushes actually, but I've never had one. So this looks awesome to add to my collection, and it's pink. That's an added bonus. I love pink. Okay, so it says it's suitable for use with both cream and powder eyeshadows. This soft synthetic Luxie eye brush will be a great addition to your beauty toolkit. It's quite soft and fluffy, so I'm sure this will be a really good addition to my eyeshadow brushes. I have an addiction to brushes. I have so many. So really looking forward to trying that. Awesome. And last but definitely not least, we have a Brushworks Jade Roller worth $9.99. The booklet says to really take your skincare regime to the next level, this Brushworks facial roller is exactly what you need. Working to alleviate puffiness and tension in the face, this tool is great for massaging your favorite serums, moisturizers and face masks into the skin. I have been meaning to get a brush roller for so long for those exact reasons. I know that brush rollers, as the booklet says, are amazing for alleviating puffiness because it activates the lymph by working the massage into the face. Really works in your serums as well, so your skin penetrates your serums even more, just to take your skincare regime up to the next level. And I am ready to take my skincare regime to the next level, so definitely excited to give this a try. I know that jade is a nice precious stone as well, so I can imagine the cold, sort of like cold compress onto the skin must feel so soothing. Oh, especially after a treatment. So I cannot wait to get and start using my jade brush roller. So yes, and I found a free gift in the box as well that isn't in the booklet. It's like a phone, a cute little phone pop locker. Put it on the back of your phone, you know, and it just gives you some extra protection. As you see, I don't have one, so I'm about to stick this onto my Meets case now. Saves me having to awkwardly hold my phone when I'm taking a selfie. So thank you, Look Fantastic. Even though it's your birthday, you're giving me a free gift. Love that. So that's a really nice touch also. I'm really impressed with this month's box. I'm really happy. As I said, they sport us anyway because the box in total is worth over £77. I love the Elemis product, even though I have that stored in my collection already. That is something that I would be needing to buy anyway, so that saved me both money and a trip to the beauty store, so I'm grateful for that. My Jade Roller, I'm ready to take that skincare regime up to another level, so that was needed and would have been in my basket anyway. The highlighter is definitely a bit of me. I'm wearing a similar shade now, so that will definitely be useful. Even the lip liner, a bit of me. So every single product they sent me, I will definitely be using. Fantastic box this month, Look Fantastic. Happy birthday, and thank you so much for sending me this box and these amazing products. Guys, do not forget that if you do want to subscribe on a monthly plan, I do have a 10% discount code, which I will put in the description box and on the screen. And please do have a look into their advent calendar. The pre-orders are out now. Do not be disappointed because they sell out every year, and the products in these calendars are fantastic. If you're a new subscriber, check out, put in your discount code and get £15 off. And if you are already subscribed to the Look Fantastic Beauty Box, you also do get the box for £70. So it's definitely a good investment. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Give me your reviews if you've tried any of these products. How did you find them? What did you think of this month's box? Let me know. Give me some feedback. Let's discuss it together. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope to see you for my next one. Take care. Bye.